Hey guys, so in this video we are doing another Jeffree Star unboxing. This one I'm very excited about. This is the Valentine's Day collection. Well, not the collection, the mystery box. This is the medium size box. I didn't purchase this. This actually my husband did get for me for Valentine's Day, so that was very exciting. I did already open this box, so I'm just going to show you what's in it, but everything was bubble wrapped. Everything had wrapping paper on it, so just so you know as well, everything always comes wrapped. So the first thing I got, this I'm really excited about, I got a t-shirt. We have a little heart with the Jeffree Star logo, and then on the back, so cool, I didn't even know this was on the back, there's all these hearts and they say, "I'm gagging, can't relate, hi, how are ya, Jeffree Star approved," and icon, and then another little heart there. This is a medium, so let's see. I'm happy about that. I feel like he would never get out a small, you know what I mean? I feel like a medium just kind of fits most people, or even I wouldn't even mind if it was a large. I like my shirts a little bit baggy. So that was the first item. You get a t-shirt. The next item is a hat. It's a pink Jeffree Star hat. There's the little logo there. It has the star on the front. And then this is even cool too, like the detailing right on the inside there of the hat. So the next item in this box, it's the gloss. So one of the big jumbo lip glosses, and this is in the shade Legends Only. I believe this is newer. I'm not 100% sure though. I feel like he just launches a bunch of makeup all the time, so I never really know when anything comes out. Try this on by itself. It's more just like a whitish nude color. I do really like it, and I did put it on over this lipstick here, and I think it looks really nice. So for me, I personally would wear this over a lipstick. Some color like this, or even more of a nudie color. So I do like that it's nude, you know, it's not too crazy. So that I feel is nice for Valentine's Day as well. The next item, we have the Velour Liquid Lipstick. This one here, I believe this is an exclusive item. There is no name on it. It just has a little heart with a question mark there. This one, it's like a shimmery red color. Now, I know a lot of people love these. I personally do not. I find them very, very drying on my lips. I don't know why. Let me know below if you do use these. Do you find them drying too, or is it something I'm doing? I don't know. I always put the lip scrub on my lips before, but these just dry so quick. I get like, you see all the little lines in my lips, and I just don't like it at all. But I'm still gonna give this one a try, and we'll see maybe if this is different, because I haven't tried one with the shimmer in it before, so we shall see. Next items, these, I think I was the most excited about this. Breaker. I got the mini breaker palette. This is so fun. I love the packaging on this. I'm so excited for this. I did always want this. It's just, like I said, you know, I feel like everything, it comes out so quick, and by the time you get something, it's like he's launching the next thing. So I don't like to get everything all the time, because that's just obviously a lot of money. So this here, I actually went ahead and used it already today. I have it on my eyes, but it's so pretty. The colors came out so nice. They're so pigmented, so rich. There was no fallout, really no complaints. So I really, really love these colors. I really, really like this color. It's like a muted yellow, and then this one here, this is orange, but it has some sparkle in it. And then some of the other colors there also have some shimmer in it too. So these are really, really nice. I'm really happy with this. I also got the 24 karat gold palette here, and I believe now this has a like a winter star on the back. So I wonder if this was like a winter collection. Again, I'm not 100% sure when this came out, but here it is. Here's the packaging for this. Oh, it's so nice. This is why I love getting these mystery boxes, because personally I wouldn't go out and get all these items, but getting it in a box, I don't know, there's just something about it. I just love the excitement of it, like the mystery of what are you gonna get this time? I'm sure this won't be the last time I get a mystery box. So here it is here. When we open it up, it has the little, whatever, the clear wrap on it. There is a clear wrap over the mirror, so everything stays nice and safe. And here are the highlighters. Next item that I got, that I love this, I wanted these too. I got the metal straws. I think this, I don't know if this is the first time he put these in the mystery boxes, but I know a lot of people were saying to put these in. So I think this is really cool. These are in here. These come in all different colors, and right now I have the green package. So I'll open it up and I'll show you what they look like. So here it is here. I used this one today as well. Right on the front there it says Jeffree Star. Actually there's 3 straws that have the bend to it, and then 1 straw is just the straight up and down. Okay, and last but not least, I got the Jeffree Star hand mirror. Okay, I was so excited when I seen this because, let me get this box down. I was so excited when I seen this because I seen the black and the orange, and I was like, oh my god, am I getting one from Halloween? I know he put out a orange and black one. So excited. And then I opened it and it's black and white. Still obviously very excited about it. I think these are so cool. I love these. They're so soft. It's such a nice big mirror. I don't even have a handheld mirror like this, so I really like it. I don't know, just when I seen the orange and the black, I was like, oh my god, it's Halloween. But still, this is the mirror that I got here, white and black, very nice. It's a very large mirror. Oh my gosh, you can see everything here. There's a big styrofoam encasing on it, so nothing comes broken. I don't think, unless it fell off, there wasn't any type of plastic on this mirror, so I don't know. I think maybe it came off though, because I feel like something was on it, but maybe not. Okay, so the total prices of everything. So the mirror alone is $25. The hat, I just looked up the prices on my phone here, so let's see. So the mirror is $25, the hat is $25, so already for those 2 you're at $50. The t-shirt is another $25, so $75 at your 3 items. Here is $28. Okay, so already with those 4 items, the mirror, the hat, the t-shirt, and the mini breaker, that's already over the dollar amount. So that's already $103. So there you go, the box is already worth it. For the 24 karat palette here, the highlighter pro palette, this is $40. For the velour liquid lipstick, that's $18. The straws are $12, and then the gloss is $18. So if we add this all together, which I will quickly do, let's get a grand total. Altogether it's $191 plus tax, so you'd be paying like $200. For me, we paid about $140 since we are in Canada and the exchange rate, so still very good. I loved it. Again, it was my Valentine's Day gift. I was very surprised. The best gift ever. I was so excited about it, and that is it. So let me know in the comments what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. We're really not doing anything. We're still trying to move into our house, so we're just gonna be working on that. Maybe we'll just make some dinner, and that's about it. Nothing too exciting. This is my excitement of the Jeffree Star mystery box. So let me know in the comments if you have purchased one of these boxes, if you're going to. I would definitely recommend it, especially if you haven't tried any of his products. You could always get the little box, and then you kind of get like a little sample of some of the lipsticks or a lip scrub, the straw, something like that. I think it's super fun. So that is it, guys. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.